In this rotary engraving video segment, we're going to talk about burnishing. Burnishing is a different type of engraving, uses a different cutter called a burnishing cutter. In this particular job I have set up, I've already put the burnishing cutter in. I'm setting my settings on the machining screen. I've turned the Auto Z off, and I've put some depth in on the software, usually around 2-3 thousandths, and I went ahead and sent the job over to the machine. Now at this point, since I turned the Auto Z off, I'm going to manually set the Z. So basically I just bring it down close to the surface of the material, and you'll see I'll loosen the cutter and just let the cutter kind of rest on the surface of the material. Don't want a whole lot of tension on the cutter, and also I don't have a Gravo Glide, which is an accessory we recommend using for burnishing applications, which would probably allow you to use the Auto Z if you had that attachment. And you'll see I've taped down the side of the material just to keep it from bowing in the middle, because with burnishing we're just removing the top surface, again 2-3 thousandths of the top layer, so the surface needs to be nice and flat. And again, the burnisher, obviously it has to spin in order to do its job. The burnishing tip is faceted. It doesn't have a diamond, it's just ground and sharpened with different facets on the tip, and it is ground to a certain tip size. So just like our plastic cutters, you can get it in 5 thousandths on up, depending on the width of the stroke that you need. So you can see we're barely removing the black anodization off of the aluminum. And I did a hatch fill on this, as you can probably tell if you've seen my hatch fill video. So with burnishing, we have the capability, due to the different tip sizes available, to fill in an area much quicker than with a diamond cutter. And we get a different look as well. So it's a good application when you're wanting to oxidize letters or logos in like aluminum or brass.